Why strength and conditioning matter in soccer.
Strength and conditioning are key to soccer performance. They help players run faster, stay injury-free, and maintain energy throughout the match. A balanced training plan targets speed, power, agility, and endurance, skills every soccer player needs. Consistency is more important than intensity, and combining strength routines with soccer-specific drills gives players a true edge on the field.
Weekly structure, balancing strength and cardio.
A well-designed weekly plan includes 2 to 3 strength workouts and 2 to 3 conditioning sessions. Allow at least 1 full rest day for recovery. Strength days focus on building muscle and explosive power, while conditioning days improve stamina and agility. By spreading workouts throughout the week, athletes avoid overtraining and maximize results without interfering with regular soccer practices.
Strength training, key exercises and tips.
Compound lifts like squats, lunges, and deadlifts strengthen the core and lower body, crucial for shooting, sprinting, and changing direction. Add bodyweight movements such as push-ups and planks for balance and durability. Keep repetitions moderate, emphasizing good form over heavy weights to reduce injury risk. Consistent strength sessions lay the foundation for better performance and resilience on the pitch.
Conditioning, building soccer-specific endurance.
High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, mirrors the stop-and-go nature of soccer. Alternate short sprints with brief recovery periods for maximum effect. Include agility drills using cones or ladders to sharpen footwork and improve quick changes in direction. Regular conditioning enhances cardiovascular fitness and prepares athletes for the unique demands of match play.
Recovery and nutrition, the unsung heroes.
Rest and proper nutrition are vital for progress. Schedule at least 1 rest day per week and listen to your body to prevent overuse injuries. Refuel with a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to support muscle repair and energy. Hydrate well before, during, and after training sessions to keep your body performing at its best.